In this video, I will show you how to rename the uncategorized category in WordPress. So generally, the process is as follows. Once you're logged into your WordPress admin account, hover on Post and click on Categories. Then locate the uncategorized category and then select Edit. Then look for the name field and then just delete everything right in here. And as in my case, let's change it to News. And now it's also a good idea to change the slug. Let's just clear the field and then update it. Perfect. As you can notice that the URL slug has been regenerated. Now let's go back to website and let's try refreshing it. And as you can see that the uncategorized category has been changed to news. Now, if we click on the news, you'll see here all the posts which are currently associated with the news category. And here's the updated URL slug. Now, just keep in mind that since we've changed the URL slug, the old category URL will probably not work. Let's try it out now. Let's change it from news to uncategorized. Yeah, as you can see, it shows page not found. So in this case, let's create a URL redirect. Let's go back to WordPress dashboard and then hover on plugins, click add new plugin, and then search, just type redirection. Locate this particular plugin, go ahead and install and activate it. Once that's done, hover on Tools and then click on Redirection. Then under the Add New Redirection section, for the source URL, just type /category/uncategorized. And then for the target URL, just type /category/ whatever the new category name is. In my case, it's news. And then click on Add Redirect. So the redirect has been added. Now let me go ahead and copy the source URL and then open my website in a fresh browser. And then let's just add it at the end. So ecommercetv.ca/category/uncategorized. And it successfully redirects to the news category. So that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.